If you're new here, welcome.
And if you're not, today we're gonna do
haircuts.
Every time you get your haircut, you get a treat while you're having your haircut, and then a treat after he's done his haircut. Just something small, so like usually a sucker, and then after maybe like a Starburst or a Skittles. Or sometimes you guys ask me for haircuts just because you want to have candy, even when they don't need haircuts. For all of the kids' haircuts, I just use a clipper, which I don't even know where it came from. It is super old. My husband had it. It's probably dull. I always put the number 2 attachment onto the clipper, and I always make sure that I have it pushed up all the way to the top, and that's what I use to trim his sides. I stay away from the little mohawk on the top. You always gotta make sure that you cut with the grain of the hair. Now we've got it to this point where we've shaved all the sides to the number 2. The next thing that I like to do is just trim the top a little bit. For the top edge, I take my 2 fingers like this and the comb, and I comb it along. For his hair, I like it shorter in the back and a little bit longer in the front. I'm cutting it at like this angle. Keeping into consideration, I'm not a hairdresser. I probably don't have the most perfect technique. I'm just cutting their hair, and I think it looks good enough for a couple of little boys. When you have 3 of them, maybe number 4 boy, I don't know, or girl. You got lots of kids to give haircuts to. It's always great when you can do them yourself. It's a really cost-effective way to save money and spend it on other things. So we've seen hair designs. I thought they were really cute. The kids, when I showed them the hair designs, they really liked it, and they thought that they would like to try one. Since I was new at it and I was afraid that I might mess it up, I just stuck to something simple. And I keep to something simple for my 2-year-old just because he doesn't sit for very long. And as I've done it and gotten a little more confident, I've kind of done a little bit more beyond just a straight line. But you know, you got to do the fresh cut around the ear, at the back of the neck. I like to do a hard cut in the top of their mohawk, and then I'll do a design.
Okay.
What's your name?
Quinn.
How old are you, Quinn?
2.
Oh, what are we gonna do right now?
Buff.
You're in the bathtub, but what are we gonna do?
Ding dong.
How about we give you a haircut?
Yep.
Okay, for all the boys' hair, I use a number 2 guard. So first I comb the line for his little top mohawk part to the side, and go down the front side, right along the mohawk line. For a 2-year-old, he sits pretty good, but I've also gotten pretty good at cutting hair while working on a moving subject. And I cut in his little hair design. With the other ones, I trim the top for him because his hair is still baby-ish. I don't really trim the top off. And that's it. Rock your own natural little curl. There it is. There's your hair.